If you're encountering a subscription sync error on Recurly, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check account status. Verify that your Recurly account is active and in good standing. Log into your Recurly dashboard and ensure there are no alerts or notifications indicating issues with your account. Step 2. Review subscription details. Examine the specific subscription that is causing the error. Check for any discrepancies in the subscription details, such as billing information, plan settings, or customer data that may be incorrect or outdated. Step 3. Sync manually. Attempt to manually sync the subscription. Navigate to the subscription management section in Recurly and look for an option to sync or refresh the subscription data. This can often resolve temporary sync issues. Step 4. Check API integrations. If you are using API integrations, review the API logs for any errors or failed requests related to the subscription. Ensure that your API keys are correct and that there are no connectivity issues with your integration. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Recurly support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the error, including any error messages and the steps you have already taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the subscription sync error on Recurly efficiently. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek help from Recurly's support team for further guidance.